Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly place some hexagon carpet tile. This will be good for render. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a project. Okay, so I'm going to place some walls. So let's pretend this is our building and this is the floor. We need to put some carpet tiles. So now go component, model in place, mass, and OK, and OK. Then reference, pick line. I'm going to offset a little bit, so make it a little bit bigger than the floor. Okay. So tab. So okay, so now we have these reference lines. So select these reference lines, Control C, and go create a new family. So this time I'm going to create a mass. So the reason why we need to create a mass because we can't use Dynamo in model in place mass. Okay, so now in this mass, modify, paste, align to select level 1. Okay, so now this is exactly the same size to this. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to just oh, hang on, let me select this reference line. I'll make it to model line, finish it, so I can still see these lines, and then I'm just going to create a reference plane here, so I know that's the point. So when we load that mass back in here, okay, so I'll delete this mass, we don't need it anymore. So go back to the mass family, so select this reference line, create form, create a face, select this face and devoted surface, and then go here. So do not use the hexagon pattern because this is not good, so you won't get a perfect hexagon tile. So what we need this one, triangle, and then uncheck the pattern, check the surface, turn on the nodes, and then we just need to change this fixed number to fixed distance. So for example 500, and fixed distance, for example 800. So now let's have a look. So look at this shape. So go up here. This is quite looks like a hexagon already. Okay, so we just need to find out the relationship between these two grids. Okay, distance. So let me think. So first I'm going to place some dimensions. So from here to here is 100. So which means it's 2 times grid U grid. And if I do another dimension, oops. So see 800 from here to here, 800 here. So this is, so these are V grid. Okay, so and if I dimension these 2 points, because in the hexagon, a perfect hexagon, this edge will equal this one. So we need to adjust this V grid so we can get one made up from between these 2 points. Okay, so now let me just sorry, ignore this. I'll just do a screenshot. So this will be the hexagon we're going to create. Okay, and if this is X, so this is 500, which is the U grid. This is X as well, and this will be X as well. Okay, so if I connect this one and connect this one, in a perfect hexagon, this angle will be 30 degrees. Okay, so now, so this triangle shape, 90 degree, X, Y, 30. Okay, so tangent X divided by Y equals, oh sorry, what I'm not doing, tangent 30 degree, tangent 30 degree equals X divided by Y. So Y equals X divided by tangent 30 degree. So that's the formula for us. So go back to Revit, select this divided surface. So we are going to create this angle distance parameter first. Let's call it X. Okay, so X instance and OK and OK. And then here Y. Let's create a Y instance OK and OK. So go to family types. Y equals X divided by tangent 30 degree. So and then click OK. So you will see the distance between these two become 1 meter, same as this one. So now we can decide what the carpet tile is. Okay, so let me think, 400 maybe. For example, 400. If the, let's make it 500. So 500 from here to here. So which means the grid X equals 250. Maybe I'll just make it 300. Okay, and then okay, and that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. And okay, so now we have this grid. So the carpet tile will be 600 on each side. Okay, do a dimension 6. Yeah, from here to here 6. Okay, so now we need to create an adaptive family. Okay, so create new family, generic model adaptive, and place point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select them, make adaptive, create spline, reference line, spline, reference line, spline, reference line. Spline, reference line. Okay, so select this reference line, create form. I'll just create a face. Okay, so if you want to create a solid, that's fine. But in here, I'll just create a face. And here we have a material. So click here, and I'll create a material. I'll just call it MA instance. Okay, and okay. So that's it. So load this into that family, and we'll place it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's one of the carpet tile. Okay, and here is some problem. So I found it's very hard to repeat it properly. So see if I only place one and then click on repeat. No, this is not what we want. So Control Z. I'll place another one. Actually, I'll place another. Oh, sorry, wrong one. I'll create component. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll place another few, and I'll show you. Okay, so now if I select 2 of them and repeat, it only go this way. If I repeat these 2, it will go that way. If I select these 3, it go nowhere. Okay, so if I select 4 of them, still doesn't work. So at last, I only find a way to do it. So is first I need to repeat this way, okay, and then I'll repeat another one, okay, and then select these two, remove repeater, and I'll need to repeat this way again. So I couldn't find a easy way to do it. But if you find an easy way, please let me know. Okay, so this is quite time consuming. Although you can use Alt M A R. So previously I showed you use Alt M, repeat as AR, but I think it's probably easier just click here. Almost there. Ah, wrong one. Sorry. Oh, we need more. Okay, so how do I do it? Let me just select all of these and filter, check none, check repeater, okay, and delete repeater. So yeah, so now we are just going to select these two, repeat, select these two, repeat, and also looks like we'll have some overlapping. Maybe I'll just ignore, I'll just delete this, I'll just ignore this part, okay? We just pretend there's nothing here, or it's all done or finished. I'll just look at this. So yeah, save some time. Okay, so now these are all individual adaptive family. So for each one, so now we can, let me just create some material. Okay, so I'll just create 3 different material. Okay, I'll call it A1. Oh, where's the other one? Other 2. So here, so I'll call it A2 and A3, and also A1. I'll just use this dark gray. A2, I'm going to change it to something, maybe this color, maybe no, maybe light gray, and also I'm going to pick this one. A3, up to appearance, duplicate, pick color, this one, and graphic. So 1, 2, 3. This is, yep, good. Yeah, it take a few seconds to update the thumbnail, so that's fine. I'll leave it. So we have now we have A1, A2, A3, 3 different color, and if I pick one, and then here you can type in A1, will show this color, A2, and A3. Okay, so these are 3 color, and then what we're going to do is we're going to use, oh hang on, before I use a Dynamo, I'm just going to turn off all these grids and nodes. Okay, so now go to manage, Dynamo, and new. So I'm just going to, okay, so here, so first I'll change this to menu now. So and go Revit, selection, and family type. Okay, so find that. So this is the one, and if I go all elements of family type and connect these two, if I run it, so you will see how many do we have. So 600. Okay, 600. So now we need a set parameter. Yeah, so link the element. Parameter name is MA, material, and the value. Okay, so value. So we have three name A1. So use the quote A1. We have A2 and A3. Okay, and then we're going to create so actually right click and material, so use material by name. So because this is a text, okay, so this is text, and from this text to this and become a material. Okay, so and then I'm going to create a list. Create. So add link. So now we have a list of 3 material, but we need 600. So I'm going to use cycle, and 600 divided by 3 is 200. So we need a number. Maybe, actually, I'm going to use int slider, and start from maybe 250, okay, to 300. So I'll connect this to amount, list to list. So if I run, so we will have this. This is a list with of 6750. So that should be enough. And also I want it to be random. So use shuffle. Here list. So now we have a random list of material, which includes 750, and also link this to here. So if I run, so we will say all this color, random color, okay. And also if you want to change the percentage of the color, you just need to, so now it's all equal. So 33% of this list is A1, A2, and A3. So the easiest way you can do is just add maybe maybe I need more A1. Okay, I'll just type A1 and another A1. So this means 60% of this list, 60% of this list will be A1, 20% will be A2, and 20% A3. So if I run again, so we will see the gray color. Is it right? Oh, sorry. So we need to, yeah, we need to add all these into the list. So we need to add another 2 item here. Connect this, run again, and we'll have more gray color. Yeah. And also now if I turn this menu to automatic, and then I can just click this and the pattern will change. Yeah. Okay, so now that's it. Now I can just, once I'm happy with this pattern, I'll maybe save this Dynamo file, and then we can save this file. We can save this family, so mass, and we can load this into the project. So and place it here. Ooh. What's going on here? Ah, that's okay. So yeah, and then I'll just move this to this point. So as you can see, the reason why I offset a little bit, so to make sure all the carpet tiles at edge. So because we as I said, it's only we're only going to use this for render, so I think that should be fine. Yeah, so now you can see the mass, the face of this. You can just go, let me think, maybe here, turn this off. So we can see it's quite nice. Okay. And you can still, oh, hang on, you can't change the material here. You can't, you need to go back to the family and change it. You can manually, you don't need you don't need to, once you create some random, and you can manually just change the material here. Just type in different name and change the material here. And then you can load this into the project, override, and that's it. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.